Welcome to Tamarabaran Engineering College, Tirunelveli. In this video, we are going to see about the heat treatment process, especially how the heat treatment process is applied for automobile industries. So before going to see the slides, we should know what is heat treatment. The heat treatment is the process of heating any material, that is a metal, to certain temperature, and after that we have to hold it to that particular temperature and then cooling it back. So what is happening in this heat treatment? So in this, during the heat treatment process, the metal parts will undergo changes in its mechanical properties. Whereas the high temperature alters the microstructure of the metal, so the material will be more hard than the previous one, and at the same time it resists against the corrosion. So in all mechanical engineering field, the heat treatment process is a very important one. So next, it is a common heat treatment technologies. The first one is the hardening, the tempering, carburizing, nitrading, carbonitrading. So these are the various the techniques which are used to improve the strength of the material and improve the corrosion resistance. And then how it is applied in the automobile industries. So generally the automobile, the heat treatment is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of modern cars, right? The metal components vary in type and quality, and different heat treatment methods are required for lightweight aluminum body parts along with the high strength engine and drivetrain components. So the automobile heat treatment can improve the durability of critical components such as shafts, retainers, hubs, pistons, gears, support arms, pistons and valves. And the power components, powertrain components, these are the components which are used for automobile industries, the body parts, and induction hardening, low pressure carburizing, gas carburizing, the ferrite nitro carburizing, carbonitrading. So these 5 techniques are mostly widely used to improve the hardness of the above mentioned the components which is fixed in the car, in the automobile field. And wheels and drivetrains, right? The drivetrains does the bulk of the heavy lifting. So to speak, the load bearing elements of vehicles drivetrain must be very strong and durable, right? Such as these are the parts which are related to the wheels and the drivetrains. So first one is the gears, differential case and pins, axle shaft, the friction plates and the hub anvils. So these normally the parts would be hardened by using the simple carburizing, nitrading and tampering, right? So these methods can be used for improving the strength and the against the corrosion resistance properties. So likewise, the brakes are very important, right? The brake systems are especially vulnerable to wear and corrosion. The hydraulic brakes fluid include a typical brake system can contribute to the deterioration of the components of the brake system, which already have to regularly endure high levels of stress from repeated use. Additionally, the overall safety of the vehicle and its passengers depends on the structural integrity of the brake system. So to improve the strength of the brake system, this hardening, the process also will be very used. The brake system parts such as the brake whip and the caliper, the pistons, which are also improved its strength by using the induction hardening and the nitrading processes. Okay, thank you. So apart from that, the various other parts such as chassis, suspensions and steerings, these all components which will be improved their strength by using this the heat treatment processes. Okay, thank you.